Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check any game's player count on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main dashboard, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see several options there, including Store, Community, and Library. Hover your mouse over Store and a drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, select Charts. This section is where Steam tracks all the real-time statistics and popularity data for games on the platform. Once you click on Charts, you'll be taken to a page that displays the most popular games currently being played on Steam. Here you'll see the top playing games listed, with titles like Counter-Strike often dominating the rankings. Right beside each game title, you'll notice two important numbers: Total Peak Online and Online Right Now. The Total Peak Online shows you the highest number of concurrent players the game has ever reached, while Online Right Now displays the current number of active players at this very moment. This gives you a quick snapshot of which games are thriving and how active their player bases are. Now, if you want to check the player count for a specific game rather than just browsing the top charts, there's another way to do this. In the upper right corner of your Steam window, you'll see a search bar. Click on it and type in your preferred game. As you type, Steam will start showing search results that match what you're entering, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. From the search results that appear, click on the specific game you want to see the player count for. This will take you to that game's main store page, where you can see screenshots, reviews, and other general information about the game. Once you're on the game's store page, look at the right panel of your screen. You'll see several options there, and among them you'll find Community Hub. Go ahead and click on it. This section is dedicated to all the community-related features and statistics for that particular game, including forums, workshop items, and importantly, player activity. After entering the Community Hub, direct your attention to the top menu of the page. There, you'll see the game's player count displayed in green text. This number represents how many players are currently active in the game, giving you a clear and immediate sense of how popular and active the game is at that moment. And that's it. You've now learned two different methods to check player counts on Steam, either by browsing the top charts for the most popular games or by searching for a specific title and checking its community hub. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.